everyone, and we are live. Great greetings, goddesses. You're on with Abiola Abrams, and I'm the founder of the Spiritpreneur Guru Academy and womanifesting.com. Yay! My yoga teacher is in the room. Hello, Victor. Goddess Chantrice is in the room. Hello, Goddess Chantrice. I'm just popping on for this quick video because the goddesses have been telling me, you've been telling me that you wanted us to do a vision board together like we did last year. And I am all down for us doing a vision board together. Absolutely excited for us to do another vision board together. But here's the caveat. We have to start with your mission statement. Your mission, your vision. So a vision statement and a mission statement are two different things, okay? And you're gonna need both. Your vision statement is your overall vision for what you're wanting to do, the incredible kind of soulmate clients that you want to have, that you envision coming through your doors or your virtual doors if you have an online business. That is your vision statement. It usually goes out like 10 years, but I think that's a really, really long time in today's world because things change so quickly. And 10 years from now, you could be having your coaching business on Mars. So let's make it for 5 years. What is your vision for what it is that you're doing? So hello, goddess, Black Women Stand Up. So for example, for your organization, Black Women Stand Up, what do you want it to be in the next 5 years? Thank you for the hearts. Yes. And then your mission statement is over the next 12 months. What is your mission? And this is all really, really important. The reason we're starting with this is because we are mission-based people, you and I as a tribe. And so it's very different than somebody who just hangs up a shingle and just is money-based, wanting to, just take whoever comes through the door. And again, there's nothing wrong with that, but we want to change the world in all of our little, niches and all of our, let me take away the word little. In all of our niches and spaces, whether you are, I don't care, it doesn't matter if you are, one of our goddesses is a natural hair blogger. We had 2 goddesses this year in the Spiritpreneur Guru Academy run for elections. Like, oh my goodness, what incredible human beings. Run for elections. Run for city council in their town. And, people who are wanting to change the world by, for example, Goddess Aurora is in the house. Hello. And Goddess Tynesha, who is, helping women and men to be able to make their money and invest and take everything to the next level. None of those things is less substantial than the other. Those are all wonderful. And whether you're building, a yoga business or running for office or whatever it is, you still want to start with your mission statement. You still want to start with your clear vision, because how are we going to turn your mission into a movement if we're not clear on what your mission is? Goddess Aurora, I love the hearts and all the party stuff. Yes, festive. What is your mission? Okay, so I want you to start with that. Again, I'm going to state a mission statement and a vision statement differ in 2 substantial ways. Vision is your overall how you see, how you want things to go, how you see your whole business unfolding, and it can be as grand and should be as grand as you would like it to be. All right. I will share mine when I do my assignment as well, when I rewrite these. So I will share it. Today is 12 Days of Blissness, day 6. I will share it with you tomorrow as we begin our vision board. You can bring some glue and magazines and things like that. I will let you know the time for tomorrow. I think that it's 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow on my Facebook page or wherever you're watching this, but I will confirm that here in the comments after the video. Or if you want to do virtual and pin again to our Pinterest vision board, you can do that as well. But you got to start with your mission, what's happening in the next year, and your vision, okay? Now, Goddess Tynesha, Am I mistaken, or were you a winner the other day? I think on day 4, I feel like you were a winner, and I told you to pick. You said that you had purchased a deck of cards, and one of my affirmation decks, and I told you to pick one that you hadn't purchased or something you hadn't purchased as a prize. Let me know if that was indeed you. I think it was you. And let me know which deck you would like to win. If you already have all 3 decks, let me know and I will get another prize to you. And let me pick out another winner for today. So Tiny Diva 24, I see you in the room over on IG. She's over on Instagram, Tiny Diva. So Tiny Diva, please send me an Instagram DM. I am gifting you with a deck of my Womanifesting Goddess affirmation cards to help you to create your mission statement for the next 12 months and your vision statement. And all you got to do is just send me a DM, okay? So send me a message on Instagram with your mailing address, okay? All right? Yes! So your homework, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to create your mission statement and your vision statement. It could be 3 sentences each. But I want it to be specific. Don't just have it be, I want to take over the world, or I want to make $1 billion, or, although those are great things. Let it be very, very specific. I want to work with these kinds of people in these kinds of situations, these kinds of scenarios, right? And let's have a very, very clear vision. Let's manifest and birth it together, right? So mine, I would be like, yes. And I look out into the audience of my talk show, and Goddess Tanisha is there, and Goddess Aurora is there, and Tiny Diva 24 is there as we head off on our 10th Goddess Retreat. We're heading back to the south of France again, right? Let's have it be clear. Let's have it be very specific. What kinds of people you're in business to serve? What products, programs, and services are you putting out there? How are you putting them out there? Are they virtual? Are they physical products? Is it women? Is it men? Is it, old? Is it young? What is going on with you, your business, your mission? How do you want to show up in the world? Do you envision yourself maybe only working 2 days a week? Do you envision yourself, working, like I said, 2 days a week, and you're checking in with passive income, all passive income businesses, which would be amazing.